Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will compare two popular countertop ice makers, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver ice quickly and efficiently. But which one is the better choice for your kitchen? Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $209, making it a premium option for those who prioritize features like self-cleaning and high ice production capacity. On the other hand, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker is much more affordable at just $69, appealing to budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In terms of ice production, the Antarctic Star can produce an impressive 34 pounds of nugget ice in 24 hours, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. Meanwhile, the SMUG model produces 26 pounds of bullet ice in the same time frame, which is still substantial for home use, but may fall short for larger parties. Both machines offer quick ice-making capabilities, with the SMUG producing ice in just 6 minutes. Feature-wise, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker boasts a self-cleaning function and produces chewable nugget ice, which is a favorite for many ice enthusiasts. It also offers a one-click operation for convenience. In contrast, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker is designed for portability, featuring a handle and includes a basket and scoop for easy serving. It also has an auto-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker have their unique strengths. If you need a high-capacity, self-cleaning machine and don't mind spending a bit more, the Antarctic Star is a fantastic choice. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, portable option that still delivers good performance, the SMUG model is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.